Let's see, 1, 2, 3, at least four different people recording the show, this run. So, Bill, don't lose. True? You better not lose either. One of you guys is kind of loose, so let's find out who it is. Bill, you ready to go? Bill's good to go. Drew, good to go. Watch me for your start. Gentlemen, ready, set, go! 39.9's the number on this run. Or 127, 131, 133, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 137, 137, 137, 137, 138, 2, 138, 3, 138, 1, 138, 2, 138, 7. There's still 10 seconds left. 10 seconds remain. 139, 3, 138, 5. Bill's not getting there. He's pressing buttons. It doesn't look good. 138, 7, 2 seconds left. 39.9. Perfect score for Andrew. 139.9 to 138.7.